Hi everyone, it's me, Delightful Squishy, or Elise, whatever you want to call me. Today I'm going to show you guys the squishies I received from an Instagram collector/seller, Kawaii Potatoes.
So everything went really smoothly, communication was amazing, she sent on the right day, everything was great. So here's the, package itself. I got a new camera, comment down below what you think. So here it is, this is KP_proof, that's a proof hashtag on Instagram, check it out. She's amazing. I did not receive any notes or extras, but that's okay, this I guess counts as a note. I spent $45 for this, so let me just show you what I received. Everything came with popcorn, it was a whole bunch of popcorn filling there, and there's also bubble wrap around these boxes, hint hint boxes. So let's just show you guys what I received without putting my popcorn with me. Okay, that's probably the most obnoxious sound you've ever heard. Anyway, I got two PUNI MARU mochi seals. I got a cow and I got a peach, and yes, let's go over the condition. I did not ask the condition because I knew she would not be selling these things for, if it was defected, very defected, then she would sell it for a lot cheaper. So I knew it was supposed to be too defected, and it was just as I hoped it would be. The package was cut open when I received it, which is totally fine because I'm going to open it anyway. It was opened on both ends on both squishies. The box is in pristine condition. I did contact her about this and she said she was really sorry. I don't think she did this. I'm pretty sure shipping did. Even though she shipped it really, really well. The box has a lot of dents, if I have to be honest. There's a lot of dents around the corners. I still would have bought it with the dents. Okay, so we're going to open this. Okay, so here is, I got the peach mochi seal.
Smells super good. Here's the face. It's super squishy.
Excuse my nails, I was just doing slime. Also, check out my store Envy and my slime account Instagram and my Kawaii Instagram. All of it will be linked down below. Hashtag self-promotion. So here it is. It's so squishy. Honestly, the softest thing I've ever felt. Alright, so the baggie is still a little sticky, which is great. So that's that. Oh my god, I can't stop squishing it. There's no defects whatsoever, so that's really nice. It also came with its pink ball chain, pink cell phone pluggy, and eye pen. Okay, so it was just as I hoped it would be. Thank you so much. The box was tinted, like I said, but I don't care. So here's the next one. I'm sorry I'm not being overly excited. It's because I already opened them. This is just showing you guys them. This one is the cow. I have the miniature one. Like, can you just do a comparison? It's so small. I thought this was actually a decent size, but this is ginormous. Like, hand comparison. My hands are really small, FYI. Hand comparison is bigger than my hand. Bigger than my face. No, it's not bigger than my face. Hopefully not. But it's almost, I think it's about the same size.
So yeah, it's so cute. No defects on it as I know of. And the packaging is not sticky, but I can re-stickify it very easily. Oh yes, yes. It's crazy how squishy these are. And it comes with the golden ball chain, black cell phone pluggy, and eye pen, not keychain. So there's slime on me. So overall, this was the best package I've really ever received. Everything was on time, correct. I mean, the only reason I could be like beyond what I wanted, like absolutely beyond, is if she included a note or an extra, which she didn't, which is okay, I understand. So she's probably busy or something, but thank you so much for these amazing squishies. Like, oh my gosh. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!